Okay. 3, 2, 1.
El mix de tus bevrot. Pachanga! Oh, it's got like all different kinds of like all my favorites, right? So like a Frito, like a Cheeto, and like a cheesy onion ring Funyun. 5 stars. I'm assuming it's cheap. 5 stars. They should sell this in the
Now we're gonna open up yuca. Not sure what it is, but it says authentic crunch. Is that what it is?
Authentic and crunchy.
Authentic and crunchy. It is very crunchy. Yeah, I would recommend this.
What's the rating?
Like a 4 out of 5.
That's it?
Yeah.
Ready.
Cheater!
I got nougat fresa. I'm guessing it's strawberry nougat.
I got the chicha!
You wanted that one. Fresa.
Looks like both of them.
Okay, it's looking like salt water.
All in one?
Okay,
Ooh.
it's soft. Maybe I just don't like nougat, but it's yummy. I can eat it. Solid 2.5. 2.5.
Not bad.
Not bad.
That's 50%.
Got a good crunch on it. Got a good crunch.
5 out of 5 crunch. Taste could use some improvement. You just kind of taste the crunch. I mean, I can see myself eating this. If I wasn't in like a